Good morning, happy Monday. I just want to do a quick shout out. So I had 4 guys who, you know what, speaking about the subject courtship. So I would say that I was very fortunate. This past weekend, it took me by surprise. Aunt Dunya called my mom to ask if I was home because she was gonna, and I'm flattered, okay? But listen to the message, okay? Not the story. As a friend told me, listen to the message, not the story. I was flattered. I was like, wow, really? Like, who would want to come see me? And because I had a busy weekend, so I was postponing and delaying the meetup. And so finally, last night, they were able to come stop by in Toshaikua, and it took me back to 2000, is it early 2000 or late 1990s, where like I would, remember guys coming to see my aunties and my sister, and and it's just the gesture, okay? The message of the story is the gesture that was so. It was very nice to know that there's still guys out there that are willing to come out to just see a girl and just have the guts, the courage, more of the courage, right? To just come out, court you, make small talks with your family, show that they care in a sense that they respect the woman. So I just want to share that piece with you guys. Shout out to those 4 boys who came to see me. I won't mention any names. They came to and because I do have friends, a relative on my friends list, so I don't want to make it awkward or uncomfortable, but I just want to say, guys, keep it up. You guys are the prime example of true gentlemen. You guys are the example of what a good girl wants. And then another side is that, hey guys, there still is good girls out there, okay? I'm going to be confident enough to say that there's good girls out there like me, like, like, don't deny, be open, go court her, go meet her at her house. That is the first step. Okay, don't be scared. Go with like 2 buddies, 3 buddies, whatever it is. Just go, because it means so much in a sense that it's like, wow, you can just tell by the way I'm talking right now. I'm surprised, but at the same time, there's still hope. I guess that's what I'm saying. So yes, there's still good girls out there. And there's still good guys out there. So thank you to the 4 guys who were able to provide that example. And then my auntie not my auntie, for kind of throwing me out there in a sense. But it was through the grapevine that I heard that, maybe because so my little cousin thought of me and then passed that on to my nya. And my nya's like, oh, and, like, she's, the whole package type of deal. And I was like, oh my gosh, I'm flattered. But, at the same time, it's not about me. It's about, the message is, yes, there's still good girls out there if you're still looking. And yes, there's still guys out there that are willing to come to your place and court you, in a sense. Like, it's endearing, it's cute. But anyways, I just want to share that piece with you guys. If you're new to my page, welcome. I'm going to share my daily lives, my daily blogs, my thoughts, relationship advice, Hmong riddles, a lot of things with you guys, working on some projects for you guys on the other side of the studio and fashion piece. So it's going to be crazy in the next 2.5 months. I can't guarantee you anything soon, but it is in the works. So just stay tuned. Come back for more. And I look forward to you guys and your questions and your comments. Yes. So I will see you guys later. Have a great week. I hope that this week will send you guys unexpected blessing, love and peace, and be brave, be bold, stay strong, and be kind to one another, right? Alrighty. Bye.